question says, which of these phenomena are due to the scattering of light? Is it A, a sunset, B, a rainbow, or C, both are due to the scattering of light? So let's talk about these one at a time, starting with A, the sunset. So what is a sunset? Well, of course, we know it is the setting sun, or in other words, the sun is lowering in the sky before becoming out of sight. But this position means that more light is being sent through the atmosphere. And a consequence of this is that more light will be scattered. And it's the shorter wavelengths of light, so the blues and the purples, that will not be seen because they're scattered more. But the longer wavelengths of light, like yellow and orange and red, which we can see indicated by these dots on the image here, we see these longer wavelengths of light because they're scattered less, and they're also longer in wavelength. So they're going to persist and be able to enter our eyes, unlike the more scattered blue, purple, and in general shorter wavelengths of light. So A is indeed a consequence of the scattering of light. Well, what about B, the rainbow? Well, in this case, it doesn't have so much to do with the position of the sun, although, of course, it begins with light originating from the sun. So that light begins as white light. But in this region, while invisible and we only see the rainbow, within this region we have suspended water molecules. And these water molecules, or water vapor, will also function to scatter light, and it will do so according to the wavelength. So a rainbow is the scattering of white light into its different components, or into the different wavelengths. So we see the entire visible spectrum. But the point is, yes, a rainbow is also a type of scattering of light, typically considered refraction. So both A and B are due to the scattering of light, and therefore the correct answer is C.